Hi everyone. So welcome to Getsure. So how to become a front-end developer or web developer in 5 weeks? Okay. So regarding myself, my name is Suresh Kumar. So having 10 plus years of experience in web technologies and Java GTU technologies, I have worked in Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, and Google. So I'm the founder and CEO of Getsure Infotech. So I have given online training for US UK students, and formerly I have worked for Satya Technologies, Amirpet, Hyderabad. And for this course, prerequisite knowledge for web development. So any background is okay. So it may be BTech, BE, or BCom, or anything. And moreover, we will discuss here from scratch, means HTML onwards. So what are the technologies required for this web development? So one is HTML. So second one is JavaScript. Third one is CSS. Fourth one is Bootstrap. And fifth one TypeScript. And sixth one is the Angular 4. So what is HTML? We will see now. So by using HTML, we can create structure of the web page. So what is structure? For example, website is there. So if you want to create any web page, so that is nothing but structure. But coming to the JavaScript, so behavior of the web page. So what is behavior? For example, within the website, registration form is there. So if I want to click on that register button, so then it will do some operations, right? Some functionality. So that type of functionality we have to do by using JavaScript. And coming to this CSS, so by using CSS we can design, so we have to apply the styles for web page. So by using HTML we have created the structure of the web page, right? So for that we have to apply some styles. So how to apply that styles? By using CSS. So these three technologies are building blocks for entire web technologies. So first one is the HTML, second one is the JavaScript, so third one is the CSS. So HTML stands for hypertext markup language, CSS stands for cascading style sheet. Okay, so next one, Bootstrap. So this is CSS frameworks. In CSS, we have to write the class, means customized classes we have to write. But coming to the Bootstrap, so some third-party API, they will provide some classes. So we have to use those classes in our CSS. Okay. So coming to the TypeScript, this is similar to JavaScript, but little bit advanced. So means, so in JavaScript doesn't support fully object-oriented behavior. But coming to the TypeScript, so it supports object-oriented behavior. And coming to the Angular, so Angular 1 we have already learned about, or some guys they may listen, right? But Angular 1 and Angular 2 completely different. And coming to the Angular 2 and 4, both are same, only few features they have added in Angular 4. But Angular 1 and Angular 4 completely different. Okay, fine. So we will discuss in our regular classes what is Angular 1, so how to implement programs by using Angular 1, and we will see the same thing in how to implement the programs by using Angular 2 also we will see. But Angular 4 is not new thing. So Angular 2, so they have added some extra features. So because of that reason, they have changed the version name, that is Angular 4. So in future we may get Angular 5, Angular 6, Angular 7 like that. But coming to the Angular ones, so syntax is completely different. But from Angular 2 onwards, syntax are completely different. So that's why Angular 1 is Angular JS. From Angular 2 onwards, we will call it as Angular, not Angular JS. So why should we learn Angular? Okay, so so many JavaScript frameworks are available in the market. Why should we choose only Angular? Because so first, it is faster, scalable, and modern web standards. It follows modern web standards. And coming to the job opportunities are very, very high compared to the remaining JS frameworks. And moreover, founder is Google. So Google means always open source, and it will give more support for development team. And coming to the fourth point, it supports mobile and web applications also. And basically they have implemented for especially for mobile application, but it supports web applications also. And coming to the fifth point, it supports essential features like data binding, so pipes means filters, so directives, routing, like navigation, all those things. So dependency injection, and coming to the observables means if you want to communicate with asynchronous calls means like, so we have seen Ajax calls, right? So jQuery Ajax, Angular JS Ajax. The same way here. So we will, if you want to call through Angular, we have to use observable for asynchronous calls. So this is the way we have to choose Angular. And coming to the editors and IDEs. So for this course, we will use Notepad and Notepad++. So this is the editor. So if you want to write any front-end program, this is enough. But if you want suggestions, then we will go for a little bit advanced editors or IDEs. So brackets is advanced editor. So it will give the suggestions for us. So if you write something, so it will give some more suggestions for us if you use brackets. So not only this, so few more things are available in the market, but in our course, we will discuss about these editors and IDEs. And third one is the NetBeans. So this is one of the important IDE and user-friendly IDE. Okay, for Java guys, they will use Eclipse. So NetBeans, Java, .NET, PHP, anyone can use. This is very, very user-friendly. And Java guys, they may use Spring Tool Suite or remaining IDEs also. But coming to the Visual Studio .NET guys, so they may use Visual Studio, and in Angular also we will use Visual Studio IDE. So what is IDE? Integrated Development Environment. The same. So if you want to write some methods, for example, one class is there, so within that some methods are available. So it will give suggestions. So these are the methods are available within this particular class. Okay, fine. And notes, examples, and assignments. So while discussing class only, so we will provide all the theory points in our classroom. So coming to the examples, so we will send all the examples. So what are the things we are discussing in our class? So we will send it to your mail IDs. Coming to the assignments, so after completion of class, so we will give some assignments for you. So that is small assignments. Okay, so you have to do and you have to show those assignments in the next class or after 2 days or 2 days, 3 days, depends upon so our requirement. So advantage of this course, so you will get the job in MNCs easily. So and coming to the websites, for example, if you want to create your own website, so my website is getsureinfo.com. So I have created by using so HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap, TypeScript, and Angular. So you also create the same this type of website. So not only this type of website, you can create IRCTC or any banking or domain related website as you wish if you know these web technologies. And our initial target is nobody is a born genius and nobody is perfect in this world. So if you want to learn this course, then so you will get more benefit. Okay, thank you.